What's up, YouTube? It's Ambition Over coming at you another video. So this video, we're changing the gaskets on the valve oil cover on a 2012 Chevy Camaro. So very easy job, just takes a little amount of time or whatever. These are the items that you need from top to bottom. Very easy job. Like I said, it just takes time, and you want to take your time because you do not want to mess anything up. It's very simple. You got this as long as you pay attention to this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Ambition out.
Straight crazy.
Alright, so let's take the cap off. Remove cover. Take these pliers. Remove that. You follow this hose. I don't want to take it off right here. I'm going to take it off right here. There you go. I got it twisted a little bit. Alright. So now I got the hose off, sensor off. I'm going to have to take this hosing off. So 8. Cool. This. Okay. Put this part off. Cool. Now check this sensor. Just start a white sensor down. Shim it off. Okay. Some here. Push in that. Push in. I can shimmy it out. Alright. Gotta follow this line. Comes over here. New stuff pops out. I don't know why. Oh, there you go. Alright. Just had to pull it straight up. There's no problem with it. Now I'm gonna take off these, these 13s. Alright. Before I take the 13s off, there's a couple 10s that I'm gonna take off back here. Take this little 10 off back here. There's 2 of them right next to that 13. Alright, the other 10. So here. This back one's the shortest one, so you gotta make sure you keep it from the other one. So you're gonna take those 5 off, and you're gonna lift up on the intake manifold. As you lift up, you're gonna hold this up a little bit so you can be able to maneuver it off. It's at the bottom. There we go. I'm gonna pop that out. Nothing falling in there. We'll cover this. Okay, now the real thing that we're worried about is this right here. Alright, so what we'll do is we're going to take this off. So just pull that out. Alright. Now, take these spark plug initial coils out. Alright, so 10. This one. There's 2. And there's 3. Okay. Alright, so now we have to knock these off and make sure. Click it. 10mm bolts right here on each one. It's a little hard because it has a rubber gasket attached to each one at the bottom. So it's a little difficult, but you have it all the way across. You have about 2 in the back. You have 1 hiding over there that's in the corner. Those are going to be the hardest ones to get out of. And then you have another one that's hiding right here. So whenever you take this off right here, push this off. And we have 1 more right there that you must take a loose. And I'm just going to turn this. 10. On some of those, it helped. I used pliers and grabbed a hold of it and pulled it up. Alright. Now that we have all these up, you'll come in gently, wire around it. It's good to use a towel, but be very gentle, safe. Don't make sure none of the dirt or any debris get inside that, because it's your actual engine. Alright. It's also good to move this out your way. Alright, it's a power steering pump container. I'm gonna move this just so that I have freedom. We got a cloth. Alright, we need to replace this piece. We're gonna end up putting some new sealant right there. It's always good to have. Make sure nothing gets in this. Alright, so if it don't look like it don't fit, got that piece out of there. The reality of it is I'm behind me. Alright, you have to put it in here. It's a little metal piece. Boom. There we go. Oh. There you go. Okay, cool. That one's down. Okay. All right. Very cool. So all three are out. Alright, so let's get the new ones. Need some oil. Yo, any oil? Any new oil? Some oil. Oops. Alright, just snap in place. Perfect.
Alright. Okay. It's in there. Can you lift the hood back up for me? You don't have to whisper. Okay. There you go. You should snap back. That one's a good one. Just to make sure. Alright. Let's take this gasket off.
This is flat.
Okay, so where we at? I don't know if you can see that little piece right there. I'm gonna clean that off. Alright, thing I'm aiming for is there was a line, a crack line right here. That's what I was aiming for. Get that crack line so nothing leaks out of that.